So we're here at the University of Hertfordshire's allotment area. So at the start of the year, when the project began, all of these beds that you can see behind me were completely overgrown. So what we've done as a group is the students have come, they've dug over those beds completely, they've planted, they've watered, they've mulched, and they've developed it into this fantastic growing area and growing club which it's developed into today. Students have been invited through the university to come down on a week-by-week basis, but what's been absolutely great to see is during the delivery each week of having people just walking over to us and seeing if they can join in and turning up the following week, building it into the sessions that you can see behind me today.
The last few months, which has been absolutely amazing to see all of the work that the students have done. As you'll see, some brilliant work has gone on, and it's great to kind of see how all the hard work at the start of the year, from when the beds were kind of really overgrown and hadn't had much work done on them for over a year really, and they've kind of brought it all back to life, and you can really see even the lettuce over there is kind of really taken its own. So yeah, they've done such an amazing job, and that's really credit to all of the amazing students that we have here at Herts that have got involved. And it's really been a great opportunity for students to kind of meet each other this year. And so there's, as well as the positive benefits of the garden in itself for the students' mental well-being, it's also just a really great opportunity for people to meet each other and learning a new skill.
It was really lovely to have an opportunity to come and socialize and learn like new cool practical skills as well, because no one touched this bed for about 3 years, I think. We needed to do a lot of like deturfing and weeding, just maintenance of the soil, and then after we've prepared everything, then we put different seeds and bulbs. I grew this lettuce that is behind me, and also onions as well. And this is my greatest success in growing ever, because everything I grow at home always dies. Yeah, so it's been a pleasure to garden with groundworks. I enjoy learning new things about how to plant things, and Sam's been great, so helpful with plants that I grow at home as well. Sessions make me feel like I've succeeded today, I guess. That I get to take my own grown lettuce home and then make salads with it, and that's a great feeling to be able to actually grow things yourself.
There's something so special about like growing something yourself, just seeing it grow, and seeing the development of that. We've turned all of these from just patches of grass into proper little allotments, and it's really rewarding to see everything come up.
There's pure joy in it, and there's also satisfaction of physical work that I think we don't appreciate so much now, because everything is automated and we pick our veg up from the shops or whatever. But there's a really lovely satisfaction in growing something from a seed or from a bulb, and the amount of work that goes into digging it and maintaining it and de-weeding and watering every week. And the people, I love the people. I love having the activity to come to. It's nice to put on your weekly plan, something to do. You just turn up and you learn. It's lovely.
It's not just about improving overall well-being, in particular mental health. It's also about learning new skills, a new knowledge base, and meeting other students. And we've had feedback from lots of our students who may not have had the opportunity to meet other students through our normal activities. As a member of staff, I've also been involved in the sessions myself over the last few years. I have no prior experience to gardening, but what I found really beneficial for myself was just picking up a trowel and de-weeding and getting away from the office, getting away from my emails, just taking that time to focus on specific tasks and finding it rewarding that you're having a positive impact on these plots. And I think that's what a lot of our students have found, whether it's needing some space from assessments and exams, studying, or maybe even a household dispute, falling out with friends, whatever, the trials and tribulations of life, they've been able to use this opportunity to take a breath, enjoy the fresh air, and just take a moment for themselves.
I do film and TV production. It's not really got anything to do with plants or gardening, but it definitely has helped with my people skills. So I think that helps. Talking to strangers, getting to know people, talking to people about their stories and their journeys.
Because it's so different to my course, then it helps me in my course by relieving any stress, doing something completely different.
As I'm a graduate, I was developing a final major project, so where we needed to create a proposal for some sort of product. And I was studying something that is called permaculture, so I was developing my project about that.
Before we obviously started the project here, I'd never done any gardening before, and I've tried to give it a little go, and I won't take any credit because all of the hard work was from the students, but tried to get stuck in, and I think that's really the message that if anyone's thinking about getting involved with the project here, Groundworks will show you exactly what you need to do. You don't need any prior experience. They really show you everything you need to know. So you could never have picked up a trowel or a shovel before in your life, and you'll still come down and have a great time. So I think that's a testament to the project and the Groundworks team that you can just come down and have a really great time.